Are you one of those people who once thought that good works are a requirement for salvation? I once was that person. And this verse in the Bible changed my thinking about it. In Ephesians 2 verse 8 verses 9, it says, "For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and not from yourselves. It is a gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast." Tama naman. If good works are required for salvation, then what Jesus did on the cross is not enough for you. You say, yeah, Jesus died for my sins. Magdagan ko pa. Which is, you're trusting in what Jesus did on the cross at the same time to yourself. Which is, oh, no. Are you truly believe that Jesus already paid for your sins 100%? If yes, why do you still think that good works are a requirement for salvation? Let's change the mindset to you're doing the good works not as a requirement for salvation. You're doing the good works because you're saved already. You're saved already by the grace of God. That's it. If works are a requirement, we'll be boasting all the time. Kaya ngayon, put your faith in Jesus Christ alone. Put your trust in Jesus Christ alone. He is the only one who fulfilled the law, because we'll never ever going to fulfill it. We're going to fall short every day, and the only one that fulfilled all of it is Jesus Christ Himself. Sa Kanya ka magtiwala, hindi sa sarili mo, hindi sa gawa mo, even if it's good. So yun lang. God bless.